this is how my Facebook profile looks like when I converted it into a business profile or page. And this is how my previously Facebook profile looked like. Can you see the difference? There is so much difference. Now, Facebook allows you to convert your profile into a professional or business page. For the past few months, a lot of conversations has cropped up regarding how to convert a Facebook profile into a Facebook page. And I know that Facebook felt it because the pressure was too much. The pressure was getting worse.
Wow, the pressure is getting worse.
They couldn't just hold it anymore, so they had to improvise something to make your profile work more like a page if you do not have a Facebook page. This sounds so amazing. Just stick and say to the end of this video and you learn how to convert a Facebook profile into a Facebook professional or business profile that works more exactly like a Facebook page. So your Facebook professional or business page automatically allows people to follow you, just like Instagram. If you have a business, if you are a media person, if you are into music, whatever you are into that serves the public, it automatically allows people to follow you. It also allows you to tell your audience who you are. If you're a digital creator, if you're a musician, if you're a business, so that anybody coming to your page will know who you are and what your page is all about. First, when you convert it to the professional page, it automatically makes it digital creator. Then you can go and edit it and place whatever you want to place there. If you're a musician, you put a musician. If you're an entertainer, you place it. It just automatically allows you to make sure that people coming to your page knows what your page is about and what you are all about. It also gives you access to a professional dashboard. Now, previously, only Facebook pages had professional dashboards for creators or public figures to see the kind of people that follow them, whether male, female, just the analytics of their followers in general and how their content is doing. But now, convert your Facebook profile into a professional profile allows you to have access to this professional dashboard so that when you post content, you see where it is going, who is watching it, which countries are watching it. So it gives you access to all these analytics that was only meant for Facebook pages. But now we all have access to it if only you switch your Facebook profile to a professional or a business profile. And now the big fish, you can also monetize your content with your Facebook profile. This was only known with Facebook pages. Like, you could never monetize content on your Facebook personal profile. But now, converting your profile into a professional or business profile makes it possible to monetize your content on Facebook. This sounds so good. You can finally monetize your content on your Facebook profile using the professional or business profile tools. This sounds so amazing. So this just works more like a Facebook page. No more wahala trying to create Facebook page. No more wahala trying to convert your Facebook profile to a Facebook page. Just convert it to a professional or business page. And you get to enjoy more like you get to enjoy all the features that a Facebook page offers. That is just it. So stick and say, let me take you through how to convert your Facebook personal profile into a business or professional page to get to enjoy all these features. I'm excited. Hope you're excited too. Let's get in. So first off, you open your Facebook page and go to your profile. This is my Facebook page, so I'll go ahead and click and go onto my profile. And then this is my profile. This is what I previously have written on it: God's favorite technophile, real estate, whatever, representing what I am. But now I don't need to do that anymore because Facebook has me covered. Click on these three dots to my right, and then I click on turn on professional mode down here. So I'll go ahead and do that. You see turn on. You see like features that you're going to get access to: get paid for your content, see content insights, let more people follow you. So go ahead and click on turn on. Yes. And then once you're here, you get to choose your profile category. If you are an entertainer, if you're a digital creator, if you're a musician, whatever you are, you go ahead and choose from this category. But if you don't choose, it automatically sets it to digital creator. That's if you don't do nothing about it. If you're a blogger, you select a blogger. If you're a comedian, designer, digital creator, entrepreneur, fashion model, gamer, whoever you are, you can select it from here. I'm already a digital creator, so I wouldn't bother selecting because the system has automatically made me a digital creator. If you are, you don't need to change anything. Yeah, so basically that's just it. So you go ahead and refresh your page, and then boom, there you go. I have 1.3k followers and 32 following, and then you can go ahead and see your insights from here. Yeah, that's just it. It's been a while since I posted on Facebook, so I do not have any analytics to show. Otherwise, my analytics would have displayed here, showing me how my videos or my content was doing. Yeah, so please do well to subscribe to this channel for more updates on technical ideas that just makes your life easier and better. So I see you on the other side. Bye.